known as an actor.
Why do I feel that you are going to trap me?
No, I'm trying to. I'm not. I wish Sonia had given me more time. But okay, you said you want to be known as an actor.
Yeah, that's primarily.
So my question to you then is, if you were to be reborn as an actor, which actor would you be like to be reborn as?
Only as Anupam Kher. What an
ना
interesting
ये तो
life.
मुझे पता था. This is तो.
But what an interesting. Which other actors has an as interesting a life? Which other actor was born to a clerk in the forest department? Did not get more than 38% marks. Was so slow that one day my teacher saw me running and he said, even if you run alone, you will come second. I came from a no background. Today I have done 482 films. I have won each and every award. I have written a book which is, and I have had a most interesting life. Why will I be want to somebody else? I will want the same life again. You're not very happy.
No,
Would you like to be somebody else as reborn as?
No.
With anybody of you will be born as somebody else? No, but किसी के मन में चल रहा है कुछ? No. So I don't think so. That's the first rule of respecting yourself, who you are.
Interesting. I never thought about it that way.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find a question that will put Anupam Kher on the spot.
Don't worry, वो थोड़ी देर बाद ये सब पूछने वाले हैं ना उनको.
अच्छा.
They will do your job.
Today is that one day when you will have an opportunity to try and put him on the spot. Okay, so please do that if I don't succeed. My next question to you is, in the industry, if you have to choose one person for whom you will be willing to give your life for, whom will that be?
Myself. Why will I give my life for somebody else?
That I can believe. He's from the film industry. This answer I can believe.
No, why will I give my life for anybody? I will not. I will give my life for my best friend. I will give my life for my parents. I may give life for my brother, for his family, for my family. But for film industry, I don't want to be diplomatic and say, अरे इसके लिए मैं अपनी जान दे दूँगा. वो क्या करेगा मेरे लिए बाद में? मेरी माला पे फूल चढ़ाएगा और पिक्चर वहाँ से शुरू होगी. अर्पित किया है अनुपम खेर को. How is it going to? It's not going to help me. I have a survival instinct. I will want to be not giving my life. अब देश के लिए जान दे सकते हैं, अपनी values के लिए जान दे सकते हैं. किसी film industry के किसी बंदे के लिए क्यों जान दूँगा भाई? अपने बलबूते पे खड़ा हूँ. मेरी माँ ने एक बारी महेश भट्ट ने जब मेरी माँ महेश भट्ट से मिलने आई, पहली बात तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि आपने कलर्स के लिए एक शो क्यों किया? I must tell you. तो my mother's favorite channel is Colors. 8 बजे से लेकर 11 बजे तक वो इस चैनल को बदलती नहीं है. तो she was very happy.
नहीं, ये तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ इनकी बीवी भी बदलती नहीं है.
हाँ, बट मेरे माँ के लिए जज्बात ज़्यादा उमड़े थे इस समय. मेरी माँ के जज्बात में इंटरप्ट करो. मैं सिर्फ जब भी मैं उनकी बात करता हूँ तो बीवी इंटरप्ट करती है कि बस सिर्फ माँ की बात करते हो. I am a self-made person. Nobody has helped me in becoming. So my mother went to meet Mahesh Bhatt. So Mahesh Bhatt in his flamboyant way said that देखिए माता जी आपके बेटे को स्टार बना दिया. So my mother's reply was मेरे बेटे में कोई बात होगी तो स्टार बनाया होगा. तो मैं अपनी जान किसी के लिए नहीं देने वाला.
Last 2 questions.
अच्छा.
आपने माँ की बात की, and I know that you were very, very close to your father. You know, the Anupam Kher that I know is very religious. I've seen you. आज तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Otherwise, you got some 7-8 red.
हाँ, वो continuity में निकालने पड़े.
अच्छा. On your hand and things like that. Very orthodox in a certain way. In your religious beliefs and the way you believe. At the same time, when your father passed away, you did something completely untraditional. You celebrated his death with a band, music and everything. There was a major, I couldn't understand that part of it.
I think anybody who does not have a contradiction in his personality is not living. It's very important to have contradictions. It's very important. I wanted to pay a tribute to my father by celebrating his life, my religious beliefs, or the fact that I pray for somebody. In fact, most of the things that I'm wearing are given to me by my mother. ये पहन ले, तेरे छोटे छोटे एक्सीडेंट नहीं होंगे, ये सब नहीं होगा, ये सब जो है मेरी माँ के दिए हुए हैं. But that does not separate me. As I said to you, I don't judge people. My father would have hated it if I had had a typical filmy chautha for him. I felt that, not with all due respect to everybody who observe it in a traditional manner, but I felt we will find it very fake if people will come with white clothes and sit quietly and say, इस हफ्ते क्या collection था, so and so film का. So I said, let me liberate them. I told them to wear colored clothes and come there, and I told my brother to stand on the main gate and laugh when they come. And I also wanted to make my mother feel that she was married to a wonderful man. Because she is the one person who has to deal with her life after being with somebody for 58 years. So that's why I did it. And I'm sure my father must be smiling somewhere for that. That's it.